Hello, I am immigration attorney Curtis Morrison, coming to you from Southern California. I want to talk today to the diversity lottery winners from 2020 that are from the travel ban countries. These are the travel ban countries not only from Proclamation 9645 from 2017, but from Proclamation 9983 from January of this year, okay? So, and not all of those countries, not Venezuela. Here are the 10 countries. I want to talk to 2020 diversity visa lottery winners from these 10 countries: Burma, Eritrea, Iran, Kyrgyzstan, Libya, North Korea, Somalia, Sudan, Tanzania, and Yemen. Anyone else, you can listen if you want, but this information is for them. Okay, so you are subject to not only these other barriers related to COVID-19, but this other travel ban that causes this thing to happen where when you go to an interview, your visa is automatically refused, and then what the consular officer and the visa office do is they try to determine if you are eligible for a waiver. And they do this with everybody. You don't need a waiver application. There's no such thing. They will consider everyone for a waiver, but you have to meet these three prongs, okay? Undue hardship, that's for you, and usually that's pretty easy, that you will have undue hardship if you don't come to the U.S. It's not automatic, but it's pretty easy. The second one is national interest. That's what we are going to talk about. The third one is national security and public safety. We don't have any control over that, okay? They use their own information for that. There's nothing you can do or say really to affect that outcome, I don't believe. So the national interest prong, the middle one, the easiest, the best way to satisfy that is if you have an immediate family member, a spouse, a parent, a child in the U.S. You probably don't have that because that's why you entered the diversity lottery and you did not do an immediate family visa. So I'm going to assume you don't have that. If you do, let me know. And since you don't have that, to satisfy the national interest prong, the way a lot of people do this is they get a job contract, okay? And what that is, before I would say a job offer. And then consular officers would tell my clients, no, this is just a job offer. It needs to be a contract. The difference between a job offer and a job contract is that you have accepted the offer. So when your potential employer writes you a job offer, tell them to call it a job contract and put a line at the bottom for you to sign. It can be contingent upon you getting the visa, but it needs to be a contract and you need to sign it too, okay? So the question I get a lot is, should I participate in the mandamus case that you're filing me for the 2020 DV lottery winners if I have not satisfied the national interest prong, if I do not have a job contract? This is a difficult question. What I want your focus to be, if you do not have that job contract, is to keep looking for that job contract. Talk to the people that you know in your country, who know people in the United States, and have them talk to the people that they know, and do everything you can to get an authentic job offer and a contract accepted. I cannot stress how important that is, because every year since the travel ban went into effect in 2017, we've seen people turned away that did not get visas by September 30th because they did not get that job contract. Diversity lottery winners turned away. So good luck with that. I cannot help you with that other than to tell you it is important, okay? So the question, should you participate in the case if you don't have it? It depends on you. The odds of a positive outcome are a lot lower if you don't have it. There is a slim chance things could work out. Say Trump loses the election, and the judge orders the visas to be set aside, and then President Biden does away with the travel ban. Okay, that's counting on 3 different things happening that none are guaranteed, and so it would be like betting on one horse when you don't know which horse is the best and there's 20 horses running. I mean, your best shot is to get the job contract and to participate in the case. That will give you the best possible chances of a positive outcome and being issued the diversity visa lottery green card. Okay? So, to recap, still keep looking. Find that job contract. And if you can afford it, enter and participate in the case. If you have any questions, you can always contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram. And I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this video. Have a great day.